Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from I Repair Autos. A while back I did a video on, and it was titled, and I'm reading it, Mercedes coolant fan always on, part 1, do-it-yourself repairs. So I showed you how to diagnose the problem, and it came back as a refrigerant sensor switch being bad. I never did the update on that video showing you where that switch is, what it looks like, how to remove it. So today I'm going to show you on the ML350 2006 all the way up to about 2012 the location of the switch, how to remove it, the part number, and the socket / wrench that you're going to need to get that part off. So let's get started. So looking at the front of the Mercedes, facing the front to the right, I've already removed this air port here. Going in, this is the power steering fluid reservoir. Looking right here at this switch, this is a sensor right here. This is a sensor right here. To get a better view, right here, that's the sensor. Under $50, and takes a 17mm wrench to get it off. Very easy to depress the electrical. Now I'm not going to remove mine. Freon comes out, refrigerant, and I don't want to lose any freon on mine, but simple bolt off, bolt on, connect the electrical plug back to it. And when you're removing it, be careful, that's an aluminum tube that it goes into right below it, and those can bend and break easily, so you got to be very careful with that. Hopefully this helps. Let me know down in the comments below, and hope all is well. See you in the next one. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.